Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So obviously the Sephora VIB sale is going on right now. I went shopping this weekend. I have this gigantic bag full of stuff that I just spent way too much money on at Sephora for. But it's okay because I saved 20%. Being a VIB Rouge, it's a sale, like we're all good here. So I kind of stocked up. So let's just go ahead and look at this receipt. Let's go ahead and start the haul, and I'm gonna leave some things out because I'm gonna do like a full face of stuff that I either purchased or recommend that you purchase from Sephora. A lot of like ride or die stuff. So I'm gonna do like this face for you guys with stuff that I got from Sephora this weekend. So let's just go ahead and get right into my haul. So the first two things that I got that I was really excited to save money on are the Way Hair Care Repair Conditioner and Shampoo. I've been using this stuff ever since I took Jen Atkins' class in May, I believe in 2017. So it's been quite a while. I've been using this forever. I love this stuff. The shampoo is $26 and the conditioner is $28, and as you can tell, they're not that big, so it is kind of expensive. So I just stocked up on my shampoo and conditioner from the sale. I am absolutely obsessed with Anastasia Beverly Hills lip glosses. My favorite two colors are Sepia and Butterscotch, and they were sold out of both, but I did pick up a new gloss, and this color is called Dainty. It's like a nice nude color, and I love Anastasia glosses because they're super pigmented. They wear like all day, like you could literally eat food and the gloss is still there, so I really do enjoy Anastasia Beverly Hills glosses. I'll probably buy my Sepia and Butterscotch glosses online. I love these beauty blenders. Actually I'm gonna use these in my tutorial, so I'm gonna put them away. I stocked up on skincare. I love Dr. Jart. Their skincare products are amazing. Some of my favorite masks are the Wrinkleless Solution. This is their clearing solution, so it clears up all your skin and like just purifies your skin. And this is a hydrating mask, so it's like ceramidin. I'm not really sure what that is, but I put this on my face all the time and my skin looks great. So Dr. Jart, thank you. I love you guys. Another thing from Dr. Jart is their water fused sleeping mask. It says to put this on at night, sleep in it, and then rinse it off. I kind of put it on at night, sleep in it, and then I don't rinse it off. But it really locks in the moisture in your skin, and it's obviously anti-aging because the more hydrated your skin is, the less it's gonna wrinkle. So love this stuff for skincare. On the note of skincare, this is the new Glam Glow Star Potion, and this was actually sent to me from Glam Glow, but I wanted to share this with you guys because it's definitely something that I recommend you try. Anything from Glam Glow, their masks are fun and they work, so I love it. Their My Little Pony glitter masks were everything. I also love their it's like a 1 minute like foaming mask. You wear it in the shower, you put it on for a minute and it foams, and then you rinse it off. It clears out all of your pores. It comes in a yellow bottle, so if you see it, get it. I recommend it. It's amazing. And this is their latest product. It's the Star Potion Liquid Charcoal Clarifying Oil. I can never get enough of the Kat Von D ink liner in the shade Trooper. I've tried so many liquid eyeliners and I always go back to this one. Kat Von D seriously made the best liquid eyeliner ever, so I stocked up on this. So some of you guys may know that I do work as a makeup artist, and cleaning my brushes is like essential for sanitation, and what I love to use to clean my brushes, even my personal ones, not only for my clients, is the Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser. This is a solid. It's attached inside this case, and I'm just gonna open it up for you guys because I feel like this is a super underrated product. So once you open this thing up, so this actually comes with a little brush mat, so you can see the solid is right here. You just kind of like sweep your brushes over the solid, but this mat is really what makes it unique because it has ridges on it, and you can literally just like swirl your brush over the ridges and it'll actually get all the dirt and gunk out of your brush. So I really do like this. It's perfect for on the go because, you know, TSA is like weird about liquids and stuff. Thankfully this is a solid. You just pack it right up like this and it's good to go. So I carry this with me everywhere. Clean brushes are really important for skincare and sanitation. And as a bonus, they had the liquid version of this as a 100-point reward, so I just went ahead and redeemed it. It's the same type of cleanser from Beauty Blender, it's just the liquid version, and it's also really cute for travel. So that concludes my haul of stuff that's not used on my face. There's definitely more stuff that I use where I'll use that when I do the try on. A couple more things that I recommend that I didn't purchase at Sephora because they were gifted to me. The Sol de Janeiro Ipanema Sunset Glow Oil. This stuff is amazing. I literally rub this all over my body for events and stuff, and whenever you take pictures, you just have like that like super glowy look. So I'll do an overlay of a picture that I took when I was wearing the glow oil. You can see that I'm just like glowing. So I love putting this on my legs and my arms for special events or anywhere where I feel like I'm going to be photographed. Another thing that I recommend stocking up on is the Kevyn Aucoin stuff. Kevyn Aucoin is an amazing line, you guys. I love them so much, and thankfully, like, I'm just so grateful that I get PR from them. This is their Sensual Skin Concealer, and this concealer is the best concealer I have ever used in my life. It's perfect for under eyes, but it is just like literally a new layer, or like a new 3 layers of skin. So whenever I have like clients that are just tired or more mature, I use it under their eyes, and it's also amazing for tattoo cover up. Literally with like one sweep of a brush with this concealer, it will like conceal everything, even tattoos. Alright, I'm like out of breath, but I still have a bag full of stuff that I still haven't gone through with you guys. So let's go ahead and start the try on with the products that I got from Sephora that I'm going to be using on this look right here. So I've already prepped my face. What I've been using as a base is a mix of the Drunk Elephant. It's like a tinted like serum, and I mixed it with the Image Skincare serum. You can get the Drunk Elephant at Sephora. I'll link it down below. And the Image Skincare, I'm using their Illuma serum, and it sets like really nice and sticky, and it's like a great base for your makeup, and it's also great for your skin. So now I'm gonna take the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Concealer Stick, and this is medium neutral number 8, and I'm just gonna like draw this like under my eyes. Lately I have been traveling a lot, you guys. Like, I don't know how I'm keeping up with life, but I am, and it's showing on my eyes. So I'm gonna use a small beauty blender to push in my concealer under my eyes. So since the VIB Rouge sale is going on, I really hoarded a lot of expensive stuff. This is the Dior Air Flash foundation. It retails for $62, so with my 20% off Rouge discount, I got it for $49.60, which is a pretty good deal. So I did hoard my air flashes. My shade is 301, and what's really unique about this foundation, it's not only lightweight and super buildable with full coverage, it's also, I don't know how they did it. It's like science. They literally found a way to get it to oxidize to match your skin tone. So I do like spray tans, but I'm like super pale naturally, and whether I'm pale or tan, it always like sets into my skin to like match my skin tone perfectly, as long as you're within like 2 to 3 shades of that color. And I'm really excited to cover up the skin. So here we go. The way I use it is I spray it on a foundation brush. This is from Shaina B Miami. It's a Kabuki buffer brush. For cream contour, I've been loving the Lancome Tint Adult Makeup Stick, and this is the color Suede. Of course, you can get it at Sephora. So I'm not going to do like cream contour all over my face today because I'm a little bit on the oily side, so I'm going to leave all of that up to the powder. But for my nose, I'm going to take a little bit onto a brush and just kind of like shape my nose because my nose needs to be snatched. So this is another product I recommend getting. This has SPF in it. I probably would get like a super weird like tan line because I'm protected from the sun only where I contour. How weird. So I used to use the Fenty Beauty matte stick in the color Mocha to contour. It was great, but towards the end it did dry out. I've noticed that this stays consistently creamy, so I like this as a contouring stick better than the Fenty Beauty so far. So the next thing that I love from Sephora is the Cover FX Translucent Light Powder. And I'm gonna use this just to like set my entire face. I'm using a Lexi brush. So I'm going back into my Sephora haul bag. I'm taking out something that is like brand new. I've never tried before. Well, it's not brand new, but it's like brand new to me. This is the NARS Sun Wash Diffusing Bronzer, and I'm really excited about it. I'm not really like a big like NARS person, so this will be my first NARS product that I've purchased and I'm gonna try. This is the shade, I think it's Laguna. Yes, it's the shade Laguna, and I'm just gonna like put this over my cheeks to like warm it up. I've been loving this Real Techniques brush for bronzer. So yeah, let's see how this stuff works. So I'm noticing that I have to like really build this stuff up. I might exchange it for a darker shade because right now I'm not really feeling it. It's just not bronzing the way that I want it to. But it applies really nicely. Like I can see that it goes on really velvety. It does like diffuse the light, which is really nice. It's just not dark enough for my shade, so I'll probably go back because I want some like dramatic like contour, you know? So they did have a darker shade. Laguna is just a little bit too light for me. So for blush, I'm going to try out the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Blush, and the shade is called Pretty in Pink. My absolute favorite shade from the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Blush is Bellini Brunch. It's just like this perfect like peach color, but I wanted to try something new, so Today I'm using the Pretty in Pink shade. It gives me like the right amount of color without being too like clowny, so I like that. Alright, so for lips, I am going to use the Urban Decay Vice lipsticks, and purple lips are super fun, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to mix these two colors, Pandemonium and Vanity Kiss. I'm going to start with Pandemonium. I still have a little bit more work to do on my skin, but I'm just like ready to have some lips on because I feel so like, I don't know, pancakey without it. Ooh. Look at this purple, you guys. So the shade I have on right now is Pandemonium, and now I'm opening up Vanity Kiss package, which is like a lighter purple. Purple lips are really fun. Like, I really hope that it becomes a thing for like a good while. So this is like a more like lighter lavender color, and I want like that ombre effect, so I'm just gonna put it on my middle. Oh my god, yes. I am living for this color right now. Okay, so just a couple final touches. Dior, since the sale's going on, so if you're gonna splurge, like splurge right now, I'm gonna use the Dior Nude Air Luminizer. This is like a lit, you guys. This highlighter is so bougie. I'm gonna use like a nice like blush brush to apply this, and just kind of like where the highlight would not naturally go. Do you guys see that? It literally looks like a glow from within. And it just works with like one swipe. I'm going to use my fingers to do my nose. Alright, so you guys see that glow? This is the Dior Nude Air Luminizer. The shade that I applied is 002. So obviously, to set everything, stock up on your Urban Decay setting spray. Just going to go ahead and set this right now. Another product that I recommend is the Lancome Brow Gel. It's tinted and the applicator is amazing, and I definitely recommend getting one for yourself. It holds your brows in place. It also defines them so they look really nice and defined. The shade that I use is number 3. So here's a closer look at the applicator. So just to finish my look, this isn't from Sephora, but I'm obsessed with these new lashes. These are called Diva from the LadyCode shop. So just so you can get your own VIB Rouge treatment from LadyCode, if you use the code LadyCodeARMY at checkout, you will get 20% off your lashes from the LadyCode shop. So I'll link everything down below along with the code just in case you forget. Alright, so that was my haul and try on from the Sephora VIB Rouge sale. You guys are gonna have so much fun shopping at Sephora. I hope you guys enjoyed my entire haul and try on, and let me know if you guys like these kind of videos. And I also think I'm ready for a giveaway. So if you guys want a giveaway, go ahead and comment down below with your favorite emoji. And if the whole comment section is full of emojis, then I think that I will be announcing a fun giveaway for you guys. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.